I believe that we can agree that when a loved one passes away, that we're never really ready for it. Oftentimes, family members are scrambling around trying to figure out what to do next. In the middle of a grieving process, someone has to figure out the who, what, when, where, why, and how regarding a probate procedure. In this video, I'm going to share with you some things that the executor or the administrator should do before and during a probate process. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams here in Southern California. On this program, we assist personal representatives and probate attorneys with real property that's in the probate process. So if you're new here and you're interested in this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. If you believe that you will be the person moving the probate process along, one of the first things you need to do is to determine if there is a will. If there is a will, you need to read the will. Every will that I've ever seen addresses burial instructions and more. So you'll need to find that will and read the will very carefully, because you'll be responsible for carrying out the instructions of that will. Next, you should take immediate action in identifying and safeguarding all of the estate's assets, such as real, personal, and intellectual properties. Once that's done, you'll need to petition the probate court to be granted authority over the decedent's estate. Once you have been appointed executor or administrator of the estate, immediately begin executing your administrative duties, such as assembling and taking inventory of all of the probate estate assets. You'll need to determine the value of all assets in the estate, and you'll need to determine the amount of cash that's in the estate. You should also identify, gather, and read all official documents related to your loved one's life. In the course of administering the estate, you'll need to file final tax returns and settle any claims, any legitimate claims with creditors. Once all official obligations of the estate have been handled, the court will hold a hearing where you will have to present detailed receipts and disbursements. If the probate court signs off on everything, you can now distribute the remaining assets in the estate. Question of the day: how can you avoid this entire probate procedure? Let me know in the comments. When will you know when the probate process is finally over? When all of your hair turns gray. Just kidding. You'll know when it's over when the judge issues a final discharge of the case. Sometimes the probate process can take as little as a year. Sometimes it could take several years. It depends, I should say, on the complexity of the probate case. Most of us will need the guidance and assistance of a probate attorney. If you've gotten value out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. Thanks again for watching Win-Win Realtors TV. I'm Daryl Williams, and I'll see you in the next video. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need legal advice, please contact an attorney. If you need a referral of an estate planning attorney, feel free to contact me.